Let's solve this scary exponential equation. Let's make the left-hand side more uniform, taking the root of both sides. Therefore, let root x equals y. The equation can be written as Let's isolate the variables. Divide the powers by y to the power of 4. Applying the laws of indices. Three to the power of 1 over 3 can be written as minus 1 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3 to the power of negative 1 can therefore be written as hence. Direct comparison. By direct comparison, y equals 3. Recall. Therefore, x equals 9. Keep learning, subscribe for more.